Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram too many attempts problem. If you are facing the issue whenever you try to log into your Telegram, see the message too many attempts, please try again later. You are not allowed to enter your Telegram account right now. This message arrives and you have made too many attempts while logging in. So to solve this issue, what you have to do is go to your phone settings, and under settings you have to scroll down and tap on this app management, tap on this app list, and from here you have to go for Telegram application. You can search for Telegram here, tap on Telegram, and now when the Telegram settings is open you have to go to this force stop and tap on this OK. Now go back and check if the issue has solved or not. If not, then simply what you have to do is tap on this storage and cache, tap on this clear cache and clear data. So after clearing the cache and clearing data, your problem will be solved. Now if this still doesn't fix issue, then you need to wait between 24 to 48 hours and then attempt to log into your account one more time. After you do that, you should be able to log into your Telegram account. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.